Hello viewers, warm welcome in this YouTube channel. This is question from NEET 2016. A parallel plate capacitor of area A, plate separation D and capacitance C is filled with four dielectric materials having dielectric constants K1, K2, K3 and K4 as shown in the figure. If a single dielectric material is to be used to have the same capacitance C in the capacitor, then its dielectric constant K is given by. So student, this is the parallel plate capacitor having separation D and single dielectric material of dielectric constant K. Then its C is epsilon naught K A over D. Okay. Now these three parts which have area A by 3, A by 3, A by 3 and dielectric constant K1, K2, K3 and separation D by 2 are in parallel combination. Three part with dielectric K1, K2, K3 are in parallel combination. So their equivalent capacitance C1 equal to epsilon naught K1 A by 3 upon D by 2 plus epsilon naught K2 A by 3 upon D by 2 epsilon naught K3 A by 3 upon D by 2 and this become 2 by 3 epsilon naught A and D is common from this, therefore K1 plus K2 plus K3. So this is the C1 of these three parts. Now C2 for this part which have dielectric constant K4 and distance D by 2, separation D by 2 and area A. So epsilon naught K4 A upon D by 2. So this become 2 epsilon naught K4 A upon D. Now student, this part, these three parts with combined capacitance C1 and this part with C2 are in series combination. Now C1 and C2 are in series combination, therefore their equivalent capacitance which is C 1 upon C equal to 1 upon C1 plus 1 upon C2. So putting these values, 1 upon epsilon naught K A upon D equal to 1 upon C1 which is 2 by 3 epsilon naught A upon D. Okay, K1 plus K2 plus K3 plus 1 upon this 2 epsilon naught K4 A upon D. So epsilon naught K, epsilon naught A upon D, epsilon naught A upon D, epsilon naught A upon D cost same both sides, so we remove it. So here remained K, here remained 1 upon 2 by 3 K1 plus K2 plus K3 and here remain only 2 K4. Okay, so now we multiplied by 2 both sides, so 2 upon K equal to this 2 removed and 3 reached in numerator, 3 times 3 upon K1 plus K2 plus K3 plus this 2 is removed, 1 upon K4, 1 upon K4. So this is the relation between K, K1, K2, K3 and K4 which is found in option C. So option C is correct. I hope you got it. Please like the video, subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.